Hi guys, I'm Marcela, hope you are well and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this cute hairstyle. If you like it, please help us sharing the video so other people can see it as well.
Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to do this cute hairstyle perfect for every day or for school. Let's get started.
First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just one drop all along the hair. I like to apply it especially in the ends so the hair will be hydrated and healthy. Now I can comb the hair and it will be very shiny, detangled and ready to start doing our hairstyle. First, we're going to do a division. From here, bring the division to the other side, pass behind the ear and bring it all the way down. Hold this section and do another division on the other side from here to the ear. When you're ready, comb the remaining hair very well and hold it into a low ponytail. Now we can grab this section of hair. I'm going to comb it. And next, I'm going to hold it into a ponytail. I'm going to use these pink elastics. You can use your favorite color. We have to do 4 or 5 braids from this section of hair. I can see here there's enough hair for 5 braids. So I'm going to do the first one. Just do a regular braid and hold it with an elastic at the end. Perfect. Now this is my second braid, and as you can see, I'm using other colors for the elastic. No worries, you can use any color because we're going to take them off later. This is my third braid. This is braid number 4. And here we have the last one. When we are ready, grab the braids and we're going to bring them to the other side. With my hand, I'm going to place them in this way so they look like different chains on the hair. I'm going to take off this elastic now because I won't be able to take it off later. And finish to place the braids. Perfect. Now on the other side, we're going to grab a tiny piece of hair from this section. And in here, I'm going to hold it with the braids using an elastic band. Now we can take off the elastics. And I'm going to comb this section of hair so it will be smooth and with no braids. For the remaining hair, I'm going to grab a tiny piece of hair to start, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a Dutch braid crossing the outside strands under the middle one. In here, we can add hair to the braid. Again, cross the outside strands under the middle one and add hair from the front. One more time, cross the strands under the middle one we're going to add a small piece of hair from the front. In here, keep doing the same steps over and over again and do the braid all along the division. We almost reached the braids in here, so when you cross this strand under, we're going to add this section to the braid. Now we can keep doing the braid, add hair from the front, and make sure to hold the strands firm so the braid won't be loose. Now we can keep adding the remaining hair to the braid. When you finish, hold the braid with an elastic. And now we're going to join it to the ponytail and hold them together. For the next step, we will need a double ribbon. I'm going to start doing a knot and a bow so we cover the elastics. Next, we're going to split the hair from the ponytail into 3 equal pieces, and the ribbon will be our 4th strand. To start from the right side, crossing the first strand under the next one and over the ribbon. Now from the left side, cross the first strand over the next one and under the ribbon. Again, from the right side, cross this strand under and over the ribbon. And from the left side, cross this strand over and under. Again, from the right side, we're going to cross the first strand under the second one and over the ribbon. Hold the strands very well, and from the left side, cross this strand over and under the ribbon. From now on, you can keep doing the braid following the same steps over and over again and hold it with an elastic at the end. I already finished the braid, but I want to add it some more volume, so I'm going to pull it just from the sides a little bit to make it a little bigger. And to finish, I'm going to cover the elastic doing another bow. Here we have this beautiful hairstyle.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video. Bye!